在警察局有用的短语。
I have been assaulted. What should I do next? It happened at around. I would like to report a crime. I need to file a police report. My wallet was stolen. I need to report a missing person. I was involved in a car accident. I need to report a burglary. Can I speak to an officer? I need to report a case of domestic violence. I need to report a stolen vehicle. I need to report a case of identity theft. Can you help me with a noise complaint? I need to report a case of harassment. I need to report a case of fraud. I need to report a case of vandalism. Can you provide information about the investigation process? I need assistance with an emergency situation. I need to report a case of cybercrime.